Hey guys, like a lot of other people, I'm a meat lover, but sometimes it's good to take a break, so I decided to do up these fast and easy veggie balls. I mean, a few ingredients, a bit of work, and you are off to a quick and easy snack. So let me show you how to do these. So the first thing we're going to do is throw 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Then half a cup of finely chopped carrots, and this is about 1 medium carrot. Followed by a cup of chopped green onions, about a teaspoon and a half of baking powder to make things puff up, about half a teaspoon of garlic, which is totally optional, but you know me, I just love garlic, another half teaspoon of saltation or salt. Of course, you guessed it, my friends, half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Grab up my spatula and we shall just fold all of these ingredients together. And sadly enough, and something totally irrelevant, is I broke my first spatula on this mixture. I don't know how that happened. Then we are going in with about 1.25 cups of good old H2O. And to those of you who aren't professional scientists like myself, this is just water. And of course, grab up that unbroken spatula and fold everything together. So what we're going to do here is add this in about half at a time as we continue to mix everything together. Now here's the thing, and it's entirely up to you, a matter of personal preference, how you want the balls. If you want them a little thicker, then you can add a bit more flour. If you want it thinner, then just add a bit more water. So you just play around with the mixture. But a consistency like this is about perfect for me, and again, this is 2 cups of flour and 1.25 cups of water added in slowly. Okay, what I'm going to do now is throw some cling wrap over this and slip it in the freezer for about 25 minutes, just so it's really good to work with. While our veggie balls are firming up, I'm going to add about half a liter or half a quart of vegetable oil to my frying device. A frying pan works well, and you want to heat this to about 350 degrees. Grab up a handy-dandy ice cream scooper and spray it with oil so the balls don't stick to it. And scoop up some of that mixture, and of course you can use 2 spoons as well. Place the mixture into the oil, and we are going to fry these up in batches until they are a beautiful golden brown. Of course, while they're frying up, you want to have a bit of fun and turn them and twist them just so they fry evenly, but they are looking pretty good here, guys. And some people are going to ask, can I bake these? And I don't really know. I kind of think they're just one of those things they have to be in that good old deep fried oil, but you can try. If you do, let me know. Once our veggie balls are done and a beautifully superb golden brown, I am just going to pull them out and set them aside on a wire rack to drain any of that excess oil. And that's pretty well about it, guys. I mean, I said they're quick and easy, and they are, but don't go away yet because we're going to break one open and see what's inside and give it a taste. But before we do, it is admiration time, and I think they look like a pretty darn good little snack. And also they look kind of cute, streetish, and yummy. And you break them open and they look good on the inside, and believe me, they're good and crunchy on the outside as well. Dip them into your dipping sauce, and I just used a sweet chili sauce and a soy vinegar sugar combo with some peppers in it. And believe me, guys, these were good. The perfect, ultimate street food. You gotta make these, or at least try them. And as I always say, if you are hungry for more, like and subscribe.